Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about removing oxidation from some vinyl siding and cleaning up gutters using a product that you can buy at your local dollar store. You don't have to special order it. It's not really expensive and it actually works pretty good. In the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, if you have those near you, or even I think Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that, you can actually order it off of Amazon and eBay. This is a bottle I mixed up 1-to-1 with water, so that it wouldn't be so strong while I was testing it out, and it actually worked pretty good. I have read where some people do it straight out of the bottle, and the product is LA's Totally Awesome. It's all-purpose concentrate, cleaner, degreaser, and spot remover, as seen on TV. So if it's as seen on TV, you know it's got to be great, right? But wait, there's more. It actually says no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, and it's non-flammable. Cleans everything washable, spray on, and wipe off. Removes blood stains, grease, wine, liquor, gum, oil, glue, coffee, pet stains, some inks, fresh paint, varnish, hair dye, food stains, grape juice, berry juice, and many more. This can actually be used for a lot of things. If you look here, they give you some dilution ratios for cleaning different things. Some white walls on some tires, cleaning your bathroom, using it for car wash, even chrome, driveways, floors. Paint oxidation, they've got it as 5-to-1. Like I said, I did 1-to-1 on the vinyl oxidation. Vomit remover, that sounds lovely. Wax stripping, wood furniture, and woodwork. So shampoo a rug, 30-to-1. I believe it said somewhere that you could use it, yeah, for use in carpet cleaning machines. So if you went out and rented a rug doctor or something, I guess you could actually use this. I don't know, I have done carpet cleaning in the past. My dad was in the industry for quite a while. He used soaps and things from his service provider, but I mean, it tells you all sorts of stuff this stuff works for. And if you watch videos from some of the other bigger channels, Southeast Soft Wash and a few of them, at times they mention LA's Totally Awesome. But I'm going to show you what I did and the results that I got, and we'll see if it's worth it. Like I said, 20-ounce spray bottle at Dollar Tree and Dollar General was $1. This half gallon at Dollar General was $3. That's what I bought, and I just mixed it myself. I believe the gallon at Lowe's is like $6.98, so you're coming out a little cheaper buying it the half gallon at a time from Dollar General if you have one near you. I don't know about Family Dollar, but $3. I mixed up one bottle just for trying with a 1-to-1 ratio, and let's go see how it worked. Alright, so you can see the line right there where I did it. The dark side has not been touched. Where it gets white there, I sprayed on 1-to-1, let it set about 10 to 15 seconds, and then scrubbed it with the brush. And then right here on the other side of this other dark line, if you can see it, all I did there was sprayed it on, let it set for 20 seconds, and sprayed it off with the water hose, no scrubbing. It didn't come quite as clean, but not bad for what I did, just testing it out, and I'll be doing more tests with it soon. And then a step away from it, you can see where I did the soffits underneath. That was just sprayed on, let set, and washed off with the hose, no scrubbing. And you can see the difference there. It's not showing up too good in the video, but you can see right there where I did the oxidation removal. If you wipe your finger on that, you don't get anything. If you wipe your finger on that, there's the oxidation, there's the mark it leaves. That was mixed 1-to-1 and scrubbed with a brush. It did alright. I think the light color of siding's kind of hurting how it turned out. I'm gonna try, might go to my parents' house and do a darker color and see. This I just did real quick, 1-to-1. As you can see, nothing on that, plenty on that, and here's where it kind of just dried out before I got it washed off. But yeah, I mean, it makes a huge difference. That's where it was at, 1-to-1, and I scrubbed. That's kind of where my scrubbing went over, so it didn't get the full effect. Again, this is just spraying it on, scrubbing it quickly and spraying it off with the water hose, no pressure. You can see making a pretty good difference. But yeah, if you watch a lot of the bigger channels, a couple of them actually recommend this, and some of the groups and stuff. For the price, you really can't beat it. I'm sure there's better stuff, more professional stuff, but for the average homeowner or someone looking to go in business for themselves, I'd say LA is totally awesome. It is worth a look.